everyone, aku Dita, 8th semester Communication Science student at Universitas Gadjah Mada. And now I'm currently having my internship di Unilever through the Unilever Leadership Internship Program or known as ULIP.
Hai guys, jadi aku mau desk tour mumpung lagi sepi. Jadi sebenarnya ini tuh bukan desk aku. Jadi ini tuh desknya line managerku, tapi karena beliau lagi maternity leave, jadi aku di sini. Nah sebenarnya desk aku itu yang di sana, tapi dipakai sama anak ULIP baru. One thing that I love the most about this office is it has a carpet on the floor. Jadi kayak kesannya nggak licin dan warm aja, kayak enak banget gitu.
Come with me to a day in my life while I tell you the recruitment process and tips for each of it. Oh yeah, disclaimer, there's an additional task for present batch while I don't have it back on my batch. So the first one is the document submission. When you're about to have an initial encounter with someone, you want to show the best version of yourself, right? Well, collect all of your awards, certificates, and experiences here. My tip is include a specific hard skill you have mastered, especially one that is relevant to your chosen department at ULIP. The second one is the focus group discussion. Here you will be grouped with 4 to 5 other people. The interviewer will present a case study and you'll have a group discussion to find a solution. Don't try to dominate it, but also be confident in your idea. Shift your perspective to see them as your co-workers, not your rivals. Listen to their ideas, combine them with yours, then you have a strong scheme. The third one is the user interview. Once you have passed the FGD, you'll be invited to have an interview with your future team. They'll be asking you more deeply regarding your knowledge and solution for the business. In here, I'll tell you just to be yourself. Share your thoughts based on your observations. Start your answer with a helicopter view, then gradually narrow down to a more specific focus. So that was it. I hope you found this video useful, because I'm having a great time with the great people here, and I hope you'll get to experience it soon.